Hello, my name is In-Yong Lee, the Chief Technology Officer at WOOJIN PLAIMM. In this session, I would like to introduce the internalization and in-house production process of WOOJIN PLAIMM. Our internalization is a manufacturing system implemented by WOOJIN PLAIMM, where every step from casting to assembly is completed in-house. We have implemented a world-class one-stop manufacturing process which enables us to produce and deliver high-end quality products for all our customers. Now let's have a look at our foundry facility for casting parts and molds. The foundry is equipped with 4 high-frequency electric melting furnaces with an annual capacity of 22,000 tons of casting material. In this plant, we are able to manufacture large-size platen for the clamping units, as well as many small and large parts of the injection molding machines. Then the casting parts are transferred to the CNC machining facilities where the precision work is carried out. In the first machining facility, all small and medium-sized casting parts are handled, while in the second machining facility, the large casting parts are processed. In order to achieve the highest level of machining automation, we have implemented an FMS, flexible manufacturing system, in our third machining facility. This new facility consists of 6 machining centers with a total storage capacity of 42 sets. In the sheet metal and frame production facilities, we produce the machine covers, including cabinets and the machine frames. Using laser tube cutting and plasma cutting machines and high-performance welding robots, we manufacture uniform quality covers and frames. We have just commissioned a fully automated sheet metal production solution in which several punching and laser cutting machines, as well as bending machines and diverse handling robots are installed in one production line and 100% integrated into an automatic warehouse. This investment will give us even more flexibility and accuracy for high-speed production. In the screw and barrel facility, the screws and barrels are manufactured, which are the key components of injection molding machines. In addition, in this facility, we also produce the hydraulic manifolds by ourselves. We use vertical MCT machines for manufacturing high-quality screws, which are then stored in racks located 4 meters below ground level to ensure long-term storage quality. And this is the first screw and barrel factory in Korea which uses special 5-axis CNC equipment for the machining of inner cylinder diameters. WOOJIN PLAIMM produces excellent quality, high-precision barrels with the utmost straightness, roundness, and concentricity. Our advanced machining centers enable us to produce designs in many varieties, such as general-purpose design, high plasticization design, high mixing milling design, and even complicated resin-specific customized designs. The painting facility can perform liquid or powder coatings, which are mandatory for the safeguard of products against corrosion and wear. There are 3 final assembly plants for the small, medium and large size machines, and each plant is divided into sub-lines which consist of pre-assembly of modules and final assembly of the complete machines. The total capacity of the 3 assembly facilities together is approximately 6,000 injection molding machines per year. The high level of internalization process, in combination with the in-depth in-house production facilities, are the strong basis for competitive production and quality control, which at the end enables a fast delivery of premium products to our customers. WOOJIN PLAIMM is striving to be more than a supplier of injection molding machines. We want to be your preferred partner for the entire life cycle management. Let's take the journey together. Thank you.